today we are going to learn about how to multiply two fractions. Yesterday we were taking a look at how to multiply what?
One fraction.
A whole number. One fraction and a whole number. And what you learned from yesterday. Oops, you were a little close. No. So if we're multiplying 1/4 of 12, you know that I have to do what? Clancy? I have to take 1/4 times what? What do I do my 12?
12 over 1.
12 over 1. All I do is I put a 1 underneath because 12 divided by 1 equals 12.
See how many times 4 goes?
So 1 times 12,
Oh, yes. 12.
4 times 1,
4.
12 divided by 4.
3.
So 1/4 of 12 equals
3.
3.
Or you could do it. This one's easier. Or you could do it the easy way.
Hey,
Easy.
listen. Now we're just going to do the same thing, but instead of a whole number turning into a fraction,
What?
we're just going to use our two fractions. So, let's say we have 1/4 times 2/3.
Oh, I know.
What do I do, Derek?
You multiply 1 times 2 and 4 times 3.
4 times 3 is?
12.
This reduces?
6.
6.
1 6.
1/6.
It's easy.
Because I divided both by
2.
2, and I got 1/6.
This is so easy.
So easy.
So that's all we do.
So if I gave you the problem,
That's easy as pie. She probably gets hard numbers. Mine is very easy. Probably gonna be hard after. That's hard. Yes.
does that not look like a 5?
That's 20. That's easy.
Hey,
Do it.
can you do that?
Yeah. I can
Go
do it in
ahead.
my head.
So, 20 times 3 equals 60. Absolutely, you always simplify.
What's you?
5 times 30 would equal 150.
Yes, I knew it.
60 over. So can you simplify 60
Yes.
over 150?
Yes. Absolutely.
What am I going to divide them by?
3. 30. 30. 30.
30.
30. 2 6. What?
60 divided by 30 equals
20.
150 divided by 30 equals 2/5. Excellent. Now,
So it's
what I'm going to show you guys is a little shortcut.
shortcut. Probably hard. Is it customized?
If it doesn't make sense to you, don't worry about it.
I ain't listening.
However,
Is it customized?
I'll show you in a second.
It's easy.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to reduce. So if I have 3/4 times 12/15, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at these two numbers, and I'm going to look at these two numbers.
Awesome. Yes, please.
So,
what?
4 goes into itself 1 time. 4 goes into 12.
3 times.
1 goes into itself, or 3 goes into itself.
1 time.
3 goes into 15.
5 times.
So now I have 1 times 3 equals
3.
1 times 5 equals.
Is that the answer?
So basically what I did, I reduced while I was multiplying my fractions. Therefore I didn't have to reduce in the end.
That is very awesome. That's very confusing, but I'm going to get it.
Let's do one all together again.
That was easy.
Okay.
I'm trying the trick. Watch, but easy. Who said that was hard? I can't say that. Me. I can't say it. Easy. You can't see it. Maybe you. I can see that.
Okay, try using the trick with this one.
I don't know how to do the trick. I didn't see it.
Guys, listen.
I didn't see it.
Hayden.
Oh,
4 goes into itself how many times? 4 goes into 16 how many times?
Guys, be quiet.
1 times 4 equals 1 times 20 equals.
1/5.
Can I reduce this? 4 goes into itself 1 time. 4 goes into 20. So it reduces to 1/5.
So it's always diagonal.
Yes.
We only need the ever.
Okay, this one you can do on your own.
Is this our ticket to read?
No.
Like that? Okay. Do we got still?
Stop and listen. This one we're going to try again with the reducing. Okay?
What is that? 1/5.
I'm not done with it, guys, so relax.
1/8. 1/6. 1/3. 1/3.
Okay. 1/6 times 18/20. Try doing
The trick.
the reducing.
We need to reduce. I don't know how to reduce, so I have to do my course.
Make sure you pay attention.
That's right.
6 goes into itself. 6 goes into 18.
3 times.
1 times 3 equals. 1 times 20 equals. Can I reduce that?
No.
No.
You just give us 2. You go too fast. You have like 2 seconds. Yeah, I know.
Are we complaining?
Right when I do my number. Okay, let's do this.
Okay, now this one. You guys are going to choose how you want to do it.
I do a simplified trick game.
Go ahead. JT, that's fine. Court, no. Brody, no. We're not multiplying 7 times 1 and 3 times 3. We're not cross multiplying. We're reducing. So, stop what you're doing
This one is easy.
and let's work through it together. If we do it the regular way, we'll just do 3 times 1 equals
3.
7 times 3 equals
21. 3 can go. Yes, I do. 21. 7.
Okay. If I want to reduce while I multiply, I have to see first diagonally. Do these numbers go into each other?
Yeah.
So we can reduce these both down to
1.
1 and 7 aren't going to reduce anymore. So we're just going to do 1 times 1 and 7 times 1.
reduce better.
So,
No. Is this reduce?
no,
Reuse? Recycle. Well, there's like 2 minutes.
it does not matter to me.
Use, reuse, recycle. I'm just saying.
Okay, do this one either way you want. You show your work though.
What?
Make sure you reduce when you're done.
Oh, use.
Okay, put your boards down. See if you have the same answer. If you can't do the trick, don't worry about it. Listen.
Ah, that's tough for us.
2 times 3 equals
6.
9 times 10.
9.
We can divide these both by
3. 2. 30. 2:30.
okay.
Then we
No.
go to the Badu.
6 divided by 3 equals
2.
90 divided by 3 equals
30. And then we multiply it by 2 more. 115.
Now we're going to do it this way.
I don't know.
We have to look diagonally.
You're going to do that way? God.
Do 2 and 10. Can they reduce? Because 2 goes into 10, right? So 2 goes into itself. 2 goes into 10. What about this way? 3 and 9.
Yeah,
3 goes into 9, right?
3 times.
So 3 goes into itself.
1 time.
3 goes into 9.
2 times.
1 times 1 equals
1.
3 times 5 equals,
15.
and that's it.
Is this a check it down?
Okay.
Isn't that which way we do it?
No.
What if we don't do it either way? I made it my own way.
No, we're not making up our own way.
Yeah, I got it right every time. It works, it works. Anyway, it works. It works. Yeah.
Yes.
How do you know which way to multiply?
You're still multiplying left to right, left to right. However, you're just seeing.
Like, how do you know not to go this way or this way?
I can't see your board anymore.
How do you know not to go that way or that way?
What you're doing is you're doing diagonal.
Yeah.
So you're not going to multiply these.
Yeah.
But you're going to
Which way to go?
You go both ways to see first. If it confuses you, don't do it this way. But all you're doing is you're checking diagonally. So you're checking this way or this way. That's the only 2 ways you can go. Okay?
We have to get out now.
So, you have to look at, do 2 and 18. Does
Yes.
2 go into 18?
Oh my God.
So you know 2 goes into itself, right? So you can reduce that to 1. You can reduce this one too. What about the other way? Can you reduce that?
Yes.
Because 7 goes into itself, right? 1 time, and 7 also goes into 14. 2 times. You're still multiplying left to right. So you have 1 times 2, and you have 1 times 9.